Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use badges in Last Z Survival Shooter. To use badges in Last Z Survival Shooter, head straight to the research facility. This is where badges become incredibly valuable. Inside the laboratory, badges serve as key resource to unlock and upgrade various technologies that enhances your gameplay and tactical strength. You'll find different research categories like Alliance Duo, Special Forces, Defense Fortification, and Hero Training, all of which may require badges to progress. Simply tap on a category and use your badges to initiate or upgrade the tech. As you level up your laboratory, more advanced sections will become available. So keep collecting those badges. They're your ticket to stronger, smarter survival. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.